motherfucking noise, man.
Yeah!
Last one of the night. We got a one-rounder surprise joint. Battler on my left, state your name.
Price.
Let's go,
Make
sir.
some
Let's
motherfucking
go.
noise.
Yeah!
Battler on my right, state your name.
Bird.
I hear some motherfucking noise, man. Alright, it's all good. As it is. It's on Bo, let's go. Please be quiet.
A lot of niggas who spend all their life thinking shit is cute. They never look the same dead. Hope you ain't come to rap about a whole bunch of shit that, what's the name, said. Rookie mistake, so. Low key, I thought about being humble. We gonna be blatant though, cause like, right down that hallway, second door to the right, about as far as my patience go, you rap niggas. You rap niggas don't get respect, so all the disrespect be exhausting. A lot of wrestlers knew not to flex like that on Austin.
Yes, sir.
You egg shit on, you get cracked or yoked. Either way, falling flat's what it's gonna cost. All caught up in the moment. Let's take a moment for Jack Dawson. He is meeting Bird tonight. Spread the word. Scopes you the whole shipment versus a half of Bird. You got this whole catalog. You still ain't half of Bird. If I ever gotta holler, Luya, we going back to church. Triple X, the ratchet squirt. Put his face on fabric. Do we go t-shirt or the jacket first? I come from
Nigga, what? Talk, nigga.
I come from cold dinners and probably no coats around winters. Gotta make a jacket work. Drought came and we sold plastic work. As soon as we seen plastic would work, all jokes aside, on some G shit, you up here with Sneezey got me feeling real bottom B-list. The type nigga go for all type of shit where you keep it, so can't keep shit. Temple shot. The last time you blinked, turn the paper pink like a peak slip. Anything unoriginal get a deep dish in a big box. How many of y'all probably be with? Let's go by showing of hands.
You know, Bird.
Show me more than 20, I owe him a band. It is 420 and smoke is the plan tonight. Anybody get too hype behind you, I'll smoke your fan. Basically, Shore's Bibles is holy. Tabs get pulled on beefaroni. I will quickly open this.
What?
They get too loud behind me.
Hey, hold it down.
Somebody get too hype behind him, I'll smoke his fan. Basically, Shore's Bibles is holy. Tabs get pulled on beefaroni. I will quickly open this. I don't know if you understand. Uppercut equals upper hand. Duke's with you. We right back in this bitch. Ain't gonna need not near African trip to witness your mother land the ladder. The ladder. SummerSlam packed in the handgun. Hand it here. Way at the top sign, and people chant and cheer for the chandelier. As far as my class go, just in case you wasn't keeping score, I ran it clear, putting ops under earth, making more of the other four planeteers, and that's on Grandpa.
What? Oh.
That's on Grandpa from the Boondocks. I barricaded the classroom, locked and blast the boombox. 3-second rule. Picked the silver up like my spoon dropped. Radio say half the room shot, blew the baby like it's a boy when a balloon pops. The car. The car vroom then stopped, shoot the kill right after I boot the wheel. Shit means something. Leave the windshield with half a face when the glass break like Steve Cummings. When I was young,
Oh my God.
when I was young, all I did was run away. That's how you know I would leave something. Like blood running, it bleed running, zoned on in like I seen something. Just imagine that. Pocket knife, bad friend stabbed the back, or can always catch 30, but that's bad. Ain't no running that battle back. My 32 seasons is the reason I cannot and will not fragile rap. Pop had rocks and corn pop boxes. If the kids ain't know nothing else, we do not them or Apple Jacks. I've been waiting to smack a battle rap nigga acting like he more than that. But you want to flip out, be an acrobat. Watch how I act with this bat. Put a fly trap where it was rats at. A price match on Cash App. Little bro, 19 at college in class with twice that. And a backpack. Look at him. Look at him. He like, oh, this nigga came rap. Swinging. Blade Brown already. Watching you and others be another class act. 7 years. I made it past that. Probably I am supposed to feel great. Greg in the joint. I ain't play about that, but shit'll get heavy over an oatmeal cake. When I went down, niggas acted bad. Now niggas down bad while the dude's still straight. So open case or not, I am daring you and your team to pop. Nigga, you are a fiend. Stop. Slowly wipe down. He get clean clock. Took seconds for me in the shoulder strap to build a connection. David got slingshots now. Ready at the animal. Fuck it. Bang, blood splatter on kid wall, make an animal puppet. If we was OT, you would give me a hand with my luggage. You gotta learn your role, you'll be more well off. I let the button yell off, leave your shirt open like a button fell off. I done been around plenty of death, and you're giving that smell off. So when I tell y'all he is a dead man, I mean there was homies that he got to join in the ground. Soon as that coin hit the ground, I got less than patient. Niggas did a year in jail. I did a year in segregation, stomach shock, blood clot, internal bleeding, interior decoration. Now I'm gonna wrap this up with no relation to how I've been this whole time. The killing you wasn't personal, it was just business this whole time. I don't hit licks. I don't slow grind, they only call Bo when it's go time. And nobody had to stop me or yell no time because I dumped bodies off in no time. You are gonna respect me. These niggas be the worst and I can't relate. So you're gonna always get the best sneeze. Let's go. You know how it goes.
Check play.
Let's go ahead and get the obvious shit up out the way.
Go ahead, do it.
Yes, I'm battling you. Yes, I did get a little bit of pay. I'm gonna mention that ghost shit. Right. Cause in that battle, you ain't have a lot of shit to say. And it's Prime versus Sneezey both. Cause Danny G is, look,
That nigga rap.
I know y'all wondering, like, why the fuck would he do this? Cause he on URL now. That makes the stakes higher than Ruth Chris. I mean, truth be told, you think he up here giving me the shot. But he's not. Cause niggas ain't been worried about Sneezey since COVID. Nigga, I know your jacket.
Let's go.
And you need to hang it up like coat check. Say, I know your jacket. You need to hang it up like coat check. How the fuck you been getting weaker and you still putting on this Bowflex, nigga? Stop it. Still putting on this Bowflex, nigga. Stop it. Just because you got the big head don't mean you pop it. You just injected yourself. That just tells me that Botox niggas been getting dubs off. Niggas been getting dubs off of you. And that shit is just dumb. Seem like everywhere that Bo go is bad one get. But I mean, you was a threat. You was a threat when you first hit the door. But now it's Kanye West. You lost your stripes and you ain't a step with no more. With this gun, I'll rearrange your whole house like a neat freak. Then ratchet in the picture, 1K, like a Chris Brown meet and greet. I told Scopes. Scopes told me I had both. I thought he was joking, but I was hoping. I told him Forrest Whitaker. That means I would sleep on one side, but somehow for Sneezey, I got the other eye wide. I'm not like none of these niggas. I say what I actually mean. I'm packing a beam on your roof, in the hood. Got me looking like Assassin's Creed. Nigga, this wasn't even for you. This wasn't even for you. I had other plans by far, but since he wanna jump the gun, I'm about to turn Kev to Kevlar. Niggas ain't.
Keep going.
Niggas got so much shit to say about Pratt till they realize I'm on 10. Everybody want the smoke till it's in dad form. Like I say, everybody want the smoke till it's in liquid form, like a dad pen. Nigga, I done put in work. A lot of times it was right, sometimes it was wrong. I mean, my facial recognition won't work unless my mask on. Kill you. Kill you and GTL at once. It's a hat trick. Silence the room. Hit the switch on the side. I'm not changing the haptics. Do the right thing. Spike Lee flick. Or be a special victim. Ice-T shit. Cause this ratchet done hit more rappers than Mike P, bitch. You lucky this ain't the pass. You lucky this ain't the pass. Say what? What?
Run that back.
Tawk. You lucky this ain't the past, cause I'd have caused real harm. You would've took a real elbow, cause I'm really attached to the arms, nigga. I mean, I do the stepping myself. I do the stepping myself, so ain't nothing the nigga can show me. Nigga, I almost cut off my Wi-Fi cause I heard it came with a code D. Hey, man. All this slow lyrical bullshit, you need to stop it. Cause all this slow lyrical bullshit will have me dressing gothic. With this pistol, I twist it, pull it, press it like a bot. Stomach shot. With this pistol, I twist it, pull it, press it like a bop. Stomach shot with the baby. It'll give a grown man college. Boy, I'm a hellraiser, a tech blazer. Do what I'm supposed to do. Use my blessings to get more paper. X scopes. There's only one favor. So I'm gonna use this nigga as a fundraiser. Cause you only motivation for the niggas in the field like caretaker. Nigga, I will knock you out, then kick you. Do dog wow. Yeah, you finally got it. Right. Man. I would knock you out, then kick you. Do dog wow. Turn hashtag Bo into a hashtag with a pound. You know how you do the most work in one hood? Yeah, I use this bitch as my stepping grounds. Nigga, that's my word. Nigga, that's my word. Nigga, I stomp you into a hole. You wanna know why I became a big stepper? Cause I never trusted a soul. Nigga, nowadays, cause I never trusted a soul. Nigga, I see this shit real clear. Like Lacey, on your last few battles, that slow shit ain't been working. It's like the Matrix, nigga. So to say you good with your hands, right? I be thinking like more like the Saga saying. We seen what he's selling before, right? And it was trash then. You know how Skechers look like Balenciagas? Look. Just because, say, the fact you text me. My bad.
That water. Take that water. Take that water.
No. The fact, say it's a lot. The fact you said I was gonna lose before we even battled. Stop it, sucker. My WB's in the shield like Warner Brothers. I'm on you, fucker. And this bullshit ain't fooling me. I've really been through sick shit. So what the fuck is Sneezey gonna do to me? What the fuck is Sneezey gonna do to me? Boy, I'm a real vet. What's in my hand is a kill tech. I'm trying to walk around with something. It look like Transformers ain't built check. Nigga, I'm here for rap. I'm trying to walk around with something. It look like Transformers ain't built check. Nigga, you here for rapping. I'm here to show you niggas that y'all ain't a real threat. And to correct all these slow ass words like spell check. Look, I know you say we cool, but you not my partner. I'm with all the drama. Catch you and your old lady watching dinosaurs and not the mama. Boy, I know I said we cool, but you not my partner. I'm with all the drama. Catch you and your old lady watching dinosaurs and not the mama. But you can't act like you tough, cause I would drop you where you stand. I'm talking about I would smack you till the smoke disappeared. Like Yak Man. Boy, I be riding around with these weapons on my side. Catch it like a vibe. Since we so close to Thanksgiving, I'm gonna teach you about dressing on the side. Boy, you can't say I'm gonna teach you about dressing on the side. You can't say yo, y'all gotta chill. You was never a threat in my eyes. I was just waiting till he died. Hey, Big Lou, you think he a hitting Jim? Bow. Now he a blessing in disguise. Nigga, I don't know what to. Y'all think he a hitting Jim? Bow. Now he a blessing in disguise. Boy, I learned from my past battles. So now I don't play fair. I put me on punishment. I told myself to go upstairs and stay there, nigga. But you,
Man, that was fire.
You've been born. Damn near make us fall asleep when you rap. So if anybody said that Kevin do rap, it's because they both known for the naps. Boy, I be writing these. Kevin do rap. I be writing these battles a week of and barely choke. My life be so fucking hectic. It be the most. I am not joining your homies in the ground. I'm a float, but for you, we all saw what happened when you try to talk to us. Look, you in the ring with us. Just know it's danger. I'm the Hulk watching TV. Gotta channel my anger. All these bars he just talked is not gonna fly. It's 1,000 ways to die, nigga.
He chose crap.
Y'all